In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change column headings from letters to numbers in Excel. This is a quick setting change inside Excel, and once it is turned on, your worksheet columns will display numbers instead of the usual letters. This setting is called R1C1 reference style, and it changes the way Excel labels columns and references cells. To begin, open Excel and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click the File tab. This will take you away from the worksheet and open the Excel menu. On the left side, you will see a green navigation panel with several options listed. Scroll your eyes down to the bottom of that panel and click Options. This opens the main Excel options window where many of the program settings can be adjusted. Once that window appears, take a moment to make sure it has fully opened before moving on. Next, look at the list of categories on the left side of the Excel options window and click Formulas. This section contains settings that control how Excel handles formulas, references, and calculation behavior. After you click Formulas, move your attention to the right side of the window. Near the top, find the section labeled Working with Formulas. In that section, look for the checkbox called R1C1 Reference Style. This is the setting that changes the column headings from letters to numbers. Click the box next to R1C1 Reference Style so that it becomes checked. When this option is enabled, Excel switches from the standard ABC column format to a numbered reference format. This can be useful in certain workflows, especially if you are working with formulas that rely on row and column style references. Once the box is checked, go to the bottom right corner of the Excel options window and click OK. That saves the setting and closes the window. As soon as you return to your worksheet, look across the top of the sheet at the column headers. You should now see numbers instead of letters. That confirms the setting was applied successfully. If you ever want to switch back, you would return to the same formula section and uncheck R1C1 reference style. But for this tutorial, that is all you need to do to change the column headings from letters to numbers in Excel. That covers everything you need to know.